got back from the United Way garage sale, which is essentially a flea market. Picked up some neat stuff, so I'll show you right away after showing you a little bit of the action of the market. Did a little bit of filming, so all right, here we go.
You're hopping up and down. Get it all.
Get it all.
Get it all.
Let's see what I can use here. Oh boy. I don't need it all.
Even if you just use the basket.
The basket, yeah.
How much is that?
$4 it says.
Come on, that's a steal of the day.
Oh yeah, but I don't need it all. That's the problem. I'll have to have a sale now.
Yeah, you'll have to have a...
You go, Yoma buck.
Next time you have a garage sale, you can sell.
Yeah, I'll sell it.
Sell
the
it
rest
or
of it.
just give it to the girl.
Thank you.
Whoops.
Oh, so it's Looney, yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
So we'll get into some of the stuff I bought. Picked up a cool velvet Mexican painting from the 70s. Be a good blacklight one due to the color. Kind of a pink Spanish galleon, I guess is what it's supposed to be. So kind of cool. Gave me a good deal on it. I've sold them stuff before, CDs and such, and gave them a good deal on that stuff. It was $5, so probably good for 35 to 45, I would think, something like that. Thinking. And got 2 area histories, Bridging Brenda. Still doesn't sound good, does it? Anyway, 2 for $40. They're probably $45.55 a piece, and it's a set of volume 1 and 2. Also stopped at Value Village on the way and picked up this Wade Noah's Ark, and it's a display piece meant to put all the little figures on. It was $14.99 and it's good for about 65 Canadian, so that was a good buy. Also got for $30 I got a whole bunch of skeleton keys, and I get about $7 a piece for these, maybe $5 at times. So I've got a whack of them right now, but they do sell, so I figured, I'll grab them while I can. Oh, got a couple mangled ones there. But yeah, so anyway, got them. And also got a daisy, a 60s daisy brooch for $1.50. And a couple kids spoons that are good for 15 a piece. They were 50 cents each right there. So yeah, all right there. One Donald Duck and one Snoopy. And I got this great tramp art frame. Really cool. Needs a good bath, but really neat piece. Very reminiscent of Scottish thistle sort of design. Just a neat frame. I really like that one. If it wasn't silver, I would probably keep it, but I rarely keep anything anymore, so that's my excuse for not keeping it, is it's silver instead of brown. And also got a Stanley 45 plain right here. $25 is what he wanted for it, which I gave him. I figured got to be worth $50 for parts. They're not going as high as they used to apparently, so I'm figuring I'll price it at $50 and accept less. But was a good plane. This one has some damage, like I said, it's for parts. So, but it's an earlier version, so maybe it's better than I think. But $50 anyway is what I'm going to put on it. And got some buttons, some stuff I'm going to go through right away. Did get a bunch of office supplies. I was rooting through it, and there was 2 big packages of shipping labels. So I figured, for $4, I can use. Oh, there was another pack of shipping labels here. So for $4, I figured, well, why not? Avery ones are expensive. So anyway, $4. I got, I don't know, $30, $40 worth of office supplies, which I'll use, or most of. And some will go to the thrift shop maybe. And anyway, I'll open up this bin of buttons and such, and we'll quickly go through it, see if there's anything cool. It was $1, and I noticed one piece that's actually from my father's town that my father lived near. So there's Angusville Ukrainian National Home, and St. Peter and Paul Orthodox Folklorama, little miniature tie. Oh no, it's a Lions Club thingy. Folklorama, Lions Club, St. Andrews College. I think that's Winnipeg. I'm not sure. But anyway, Angusville Literary Society. That's the town my father lived near, so I figured I'd buy that just to keep that. And the rest, some of this will just go in a $5 bargain bag. I've got a $5 bargain bin. It's actually pretty cool. You can end up selling a lot of this sort of stuff, just random bits and pieces in a bag for $5, and the stuff does go. People buy stuff for odd reasons, but stuff does go, so that's where it'll end up probably. And yeah, so that's what I got at the sale. The neatest piece, the piece I like the best, is the frame, and second to it is the Mexican Spanish galleon there, the velvet. So I think those are pretty cool. Anyway, thanks for watching, folks. Please be sure to like and subscribe and comment below. Let me know what your favorite piece was. And yeah, check out our other videos. There should be a couple to click on right near the end here. All right, thanks for watching, folks. Take care.